Bang Bang chocolate.
And we're gonna crush it.
And I gonna crush it. Like a karate. Now it's done. And I gonna crush it. Cut the fudgy bar into two.
Careful.
Like this. Now we're gonna whip the cream and milk.
Go.
Now we're gonna put some cream.
Spread it out.
Spread it out
More.
more. Okay,
Okay,
it's
spread.
okay. Now,
Spread.
like just spread it. Now we're gonna layer it down like this. And some more. Okay, some more. Whee!
Break. Layer mo. Until it will be covered on.
Whee! Whee whee! Whee whee whee! Whee whee whee! Okay.
Spread it properly.
Spread it properly.
Mm.
And layer it again. Paulit-ulit lang. Hanggang sa mapuno ang basket. Now here it is, the finished product. We're gonna close
And put it in the
freezer. Now we're gonna put it in the freezer. Here. Oh, it's not okay. Okay, it's okay now. Oh, it's okay.
close it.
And I gonna close it.
Bye.
Bye! Hintayin po namin sa susunod na araw, part 2.